Good morning, good evening, good day everyone. Welcome guys, welcome lovely community. On another opportunity, another day, happy Wednesday times out here. Welcome everyone, thank you so much for joining guys. Great to have you on board for another live stream session of education. Great trading, I hope so. And at the end of the day, of course, giveaway times. 3 giveaways will be on the table today with the Nasdaq. With the Nasdaq looking like unstoppable, guys. Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. Let me just show you on the hourly. It's just crazy the way we recovered. 450 points recovery. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, guys. All right, so good day, welcome. Thank you, chat. Thank you. Bonjour. Cheers, everyone. I bet no one expected, guys, such recovery. I was not expecting it. I was looking forward to seeing some choppiness here. But we didn't got any choppiness. It's Thursday, right? Gotta change my title, guys. It's Thursday. Good to know that. Thank you. Thank you. Thursday. Big Thursday. I'm totally off with the schedule. Like for me, it's the same thing as, you know, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday. I'll leave the same. The only exception I got is the live stream. But other than that, I leave the same, guys. That's why I got no idea. And that's the whole thing valid for the family members as well. The whole family lives like this. It's not just about me. No one knows which day is today. What's up? Welcome, guys. Well, I hope so. 2026 is going to be better than 2025. Since 340s. But we didn't got 340s. I'm not sure if it's on my code. You want to test it out, Massimiliano. You want to test it out. Welcome from Italy. Ah, so CFDs. Futures got into 424 or something around that one. You want to check Massimiliano if my code works there. You want to check that out. Great to see you guys. So, you've changed your name. It's not bad. Oh, that's great. So it works. That's great. It's confirmed. Thank you. Which means I have to update my promotions right here. But let me just quickly share this presentation with all the community members. We got unemployment, guys. We got unemployment. Keep yourself away from YRM trading. We got unemployment coming out soon. In 2 minutes. So, we're going to have a lovely session today. And don't forget to sign up for the giveaways. You don't want to miss that for sure. I just got an email. Let me share with you. I just got an email. Can you guys see this? What does it say? Has a little motivation for the stream, right? Let's go. Come on. Yes, it works with start. Yeah. My code. My code is starting probably from 26th of January or something like that. The affiliates promotion, I think. Yes. No worries about that one. No worries. Because there is no promotion with my code right now with Savius. Savius is different. So we have news in a few minutes. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys. Not in a few minutes, in a few seconds. We made a new high today. This is pretty much wild. Not retracing almost at all. It's crazy, guys. Yeah, they should bin that, but they have a different system. They're the only ones with this system on affiliation. All the other companies are running always max discount with a single code. Your code gives max discount, but Savius is a little bit different. Let's see, what do we get at the news time? Market is making a new high. But you see, this account is very important, guys, from the YRM. Unemployment claims. Unemployment claims. I'm gonna open up my Quant Hour as well with Lucid Flex accounts. Still pending out here. It's still small volatility what we're getting from the red folder news. Nothing right there. As usually, unemployments are not scary. And that's it for the week. But what about next week? What do we get next week? We have core PCE, final GDP. Thursday seems to be a very important day. Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no red folder scheduled. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video and join our Discord as well. You got to be part of these things in order to be able to join the giveaways. Welcome, welcome, buddy. Great to see you. Well, look at that. And finally, now we're able to trade our YRM. 23 days, 23 sessions, back-to-back profit. Third cycle, day number 4. That's what I'm trading right here, right now. I don't want to make more than the minimum, guys. Trust me. And I made it. $207 profit. Celebration time. 207 profit. Quickly targeting and hitting the sniper. $207 profit. I don't need to make more. The target is $150 for 10 days. Minimum 150 for 10 days and you take your payout. So there you go. Nairobi, great times. Volume profile. I got nothing against it. If you know how to use it in your favor and it's not going to make your life more complicated, then just, go ahead and use it. I think it's good for people that know. I think anything could be good. Anything. If you know how to integrate it in your complex of trading, anything can be good or anything could actually upset you. Quick profit, $207, guys. Look at that one for YRM. These are the 150k instant funding accounts that we're trading. We've got 3. This is day number 4 in the 3rd cycle. Hopefully tomorrow we're going to get it to day number 5. Successfully. Because then we will only need 5 more days. Oh, look at that lovely move. The market is running and it's breaking bones. Very interesting. Wow. What a reaction, guys. I mean, if we look into the 4 hours, this thing is just wild. It wants to go up, and it wants to break out, and it wants the all-time high Nasdaq so bad, guys, so bad. Today's movement is clearly confirming it. So we got so many shorts trapped below 600s. Right there. So many of them got into short swings right there for the Nasdaq. There is a pattern here. Breaking the high, just slightly, and then turning the markets against, and simulating a strong move, which is then getting reversed on a higher low. Very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. Thank you, guys. I think we're gonna be on fire today. That's what I'm hoping. 3,000. You cannot take out 5k or 50k in a single account. The one I showed was Lucid Flex, 150k. And the maximum payout per cycle is 3,000. Props will have to get terrified. They got no chance and no other solutions. They have no alternatives. So they better get terrified from the first moment we hit going live. 500k, exactly. Like I said, we got to do a prop firm, guys. We got to do our own prop firm. A community prop firm. Think about it. A community prop firm. That's not owned by me or by any of you in a particular way. That's owned by the community. With decisions made by the community, by voting, and such thing. We got a new Netflix movie on Discord. It's The Revenge Trader. Oh, that's juicy, guys. Look at the way I'm holding my tea. After a day of losses, wisdom, green tea, and focus. Oh, that's absolutely lovely. Thank you so much, guys. Look at that one. It's unstoppable here with the Nasdaq. So, what if we do a community-based prop firm? Doc firm, exactly. What do you guys think about a doc firm? The payouts would come from the ones that are not part of our community. That's the place we're gonna take the payouts from the ones that are not part of the community. They will finance the community, right? It's not a good idea, don't you? Is it? I think it is, right? So, baby's crying. It means we're making money today. Alright, gotta move to the next account. That was day number 4 in the third cycle. Third cycle is $3,500 for this YRM 150K. And then the big stuff, the craziness, and the wild numbers will come around the fourth cycle. So that's why I'd like to leave myself with some buffer. Let me show you the payout structure and the cap. For the 150K, 6 grand starting with a fourth payout. And that's just insane, guys. 6 grand starting with a fourth payout. So bad that we got ripped 3 accounts that were funded are gone. But I got one, I got one alive. That good one, it's still alive, the good one, which has about 18 grand above the initial balance. That's the one I'm milking, guys. But yesterday was something else. So 6 grand, starting by the fourth payout. Yeah. Good morning, welcome. $6 grand is not bad. On 150K. Is this still capable climbing after 2 rejections on the 5 minute? Or this is a short opportunity here, guys? Look at that. This account for the YRM is day number 8. Was day number 8 yesterday. Today is going to be day number 9. Which means tomorrow could be day number 10 and we could qualify for a payout. What we got to do here is $500 in 2 days. That's all we got to do, guys. $500 in 2 days. And I'll take maximum payout. I'll take maximum payout if we do $500 in 2 days for this account here. Good morning, welcome. Thank you so much. $500 in 2 days and we're taking the payout. We only made $2,075 in 8 days. All the 8 days. Where's the fireworks? Yeah, we forgot about the fireworks, guys. We've hit our target earlier and I didn't put the fireworks. Wow. That's how hurt I got by the losses yesterday, guys. I'm off track. We got a target earlier and we didn't even put the fireworks to celebrate. Let's not leave past performance to overshadow our upcoming great results, entertainment, and a lovely time. Let's not leave anything of the past in a negative way touch our upcoming performance. Let's just leave the past to touch in a positive way our upcoming performance. I'm trading right now for the YRM prop firm on the Volumetrica platform. Right, that's the link right there. Volumetrica platform with the deep charts. Thinking about testing out a little short here. Let's see. Like I said, guys, 500 bucks in 2 days, and we're taking maximum payout 2,500, and we will very likely lose the account because there's no buffer going to remain if that happens. Come on, bring it down. This is not a bad trade that I've got here for the moment, right? We only need 6 points. Bring it down, baby. It's not easy to make money from shorts today. Stop loss and break even, 30 bucks profit for the stop loss. Come on, get lower. Another point. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what a... Market makers are watching us today, guys. We're their target. It's fully confirmed. It's fully confirmed the market makers are watching this. And we got snapped. We got snapped. But the growth we have here is brutal, guys. Yeah, I got my money from Lucid, I think. I was looking at the email. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. YRM running big promotions, no activation fee. Their payout is simple, 10 days, minimum 150 bucks per day. And respect the consistency. Right, so it's the easiest way to qualify for the payouts. If you grab the instant funding, there's additional discount with my coupon code on anything. My coupon is attached to the maximum discounts pretty much everywhere, except Savius. Savius is different. But on any other places, it's maximum discounts. Longs looks interesting, but that looks like I would chase longs, and I would rather die than chasing longs. In this formula, right? In this formula here. Like, look at that. At some point, I'm gonna get 100 points down, and that's probably gonna be the very moment I hit the long button. You guys felt that for sure so many times, right? Don't you? You see, the difficulties here of shorting the markets are, you know, substantial. I'm not feeling comfortable shorting the markets. We got the last month's high, 935, weekly opening 949. That's going to be something where we could see, well, this is a place that might have some fundamentals to The way we're laddering up is just, you know, brutal, artificial movement. Wow, look at that. You have no retracement since 570s. I might be reshorting this one. And that's what I'm going to do, guys. That 1 minute rejection give me another rejection on this green candle, right? Come on. I don't have much buffer on this account. I don't need a loss. I mean, we do have 6,000 actually. No, we do have 6,000. We're not going to have after we request a payout. Right, so the market is controlled right now by the paddle, guys. By the paddle. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That's so bad. You know, we got 6,000 bucks drawdown actually. Not an issue. This is insane. I'm going to reshort it from higher on a different account. Even with 3 micros, in the way we've moved, I think that's still costing you. Previous day high, 925. Yeah. Yesterday's high. There you go. Gotta leave this open to 925 and reaccumulate on that one. Or we might just get a rejection here and front run the people expecting the 925. But let me open up Quantower. We gotta trade those flex accounts that we've got. We don't have a private group. We don't share entries. I mean, you don't need to buy with my code anything. Unless you want an additional discount, right? So 629 with the website discount. With my code 540. 90 bucks difference. You decide. We don't have a private group. We don't do anything paid. It's all for free on YouTube. It's all for free on Discord. And all the groups. We have a single group on Discord. That's it, for free. The live streaming is for free as well. So there's no such a thing. Entries, signals, groups that are paid. Nah. We don't have to do that, guys. We don't have to do that bullshit. The code is Crembo. Yeah. Well, not just about the weekend. It's hard to say. You know, weekends are less possible to be predictable, right? So certainly the least predictable moments are the weekends in the crypto space. The least predictable. So that's an interesting move, guys. I'll sell something, right? And the target has been hit, $262 profit right there. You see, If you got a good entry, you don't panic, you're making money, and you're printing 262. This is day number 9. Attention, day number 9. One more day is needed. Tomorrow, 250 bucks. Celebration time. You see, fireworks are back in business. It was a single day that had less fireworks, and that was yesterday. And it was actually the second part of the live stream, because the first part of the live stream, all the YRM accounts got to the target. Celebration time out there. So day number 9 was completed today. One more day, we hit the minimum tomorrow, and we take the maximum payout. We made it in 9 days. Look at that. And I'm still going to be able to qualify for the payout. In 9 days. Let me share with you my net P&L column. This is the net P&L column. Look at that one. Look at the values we've got there. Good job. Good job. So back to the BTC discussion. Well, you know, we made a lot of the minimum here, guys. Look at that. The first 3 days were all under 200 bucks, and we have a maximum loss of $6,000, and I was targeting $200. And I'm still going to take the max payout, which is 2,500 in the first cycle. We have 2,337. I'll take the max payout, and the account is going to get lost. But I paid $450 for the account at that time when that promotion was with the Christmas times. And I'll take 2,250, right? Because it's 90 to 10. You're looking into a different dashboard. I'm looking into Volumetrica, that's why. I'm looking into Volumetrica, that's why. So weekends are very hard to be predicted, and I'm certainly not focusing on any form of scalping or short-term trading for the weekends on the crypto space. Crypto space needs to be traded over the long run. Anyone that cares about it, you gotta focus based on months, heavy cycles, and minimum 3 to 6 months minimum, which could actually extend into years. And I think you're gonna be good with that. So let's just get back and trade the next account here. Hitting a bit of a long. Hitting a bit of a long. This is a web-based Volumetrica, and we got a dashboard inside there. Well, congratulations, buddy, if you did. Hope you get payouts. And you have success with it. Just add it to my long on that wick with DC8. And I'll be doing the same thing on my Lucid Flex Quant Tower. Minimum 10 days of 150 bucks per day, minimum. Respect 20% consistency. That's it. And avoid trading the news 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. 50% of your profits should come from trades you're holding minimum for 10 seconds. We also have videos on my channels about rules. Good morning, Fred. We have 2 out of 2 so far. Hitting the target. 2 out of 2. We're trading the third account on YRM, and that's it for today, for the moment. Yeah, incredible. That's exactly what we talked about at the beginning of the stream. Something unheard of what we got. Totally unexpected and wild. Totally unexpected and wild what we got. My code is turned off until 26th. You can use the start code or something that they have. Right? So Savius is different, guys. Savius is different. Just use whatever they give you. If my code is not working, use whatever they give you. Savius is different. Savius is not like all the other companies, which are always attaching the maximum discount to the code. Savius is having 5 codes, and it's making sure basically affiliates are missing the sales by doing that. But do not worry, feel free to use the code, they give it to you. If my one is not working on Savius because it's not having a promotion right now, feel free to use the one they have. Good morning, great to see you guys, thank you so much. Savius is something else. You gotta be part of our Discord community, guys. Especially if you want to participate in the giveaways. 3 giveaways for today. We have the flat opening here on the hourly. Let's see what it gives. Let's see what it gives. If this goes ugly, not gonna sit for too much if it goes ugly. I've got a long open on my Quant Tower on the Lucid Flex. Here we have it, guys. 10 minis. I was about to say we have a little long, but I better not. No, we only trade Nasdaq. So we got 165 grand in the account. It's good. It is good. I don't like this weakness, guys. Looks like things have changed a little bit. From what they used to be, things have changed a little bit. And I sold 5 contracts, so I accepted a partial loss. Had to do it. Accepted a temporary loss over here too. Not a problem. Had to do it, guys. It was pretty risky down there. We downsized. And it looks like the market is doing something else. Resuming back with the algo and the buying pressure. I can DCA again. That's what we did. We also DCA'd on our quant tower. Lovely move. Lovely move out here as well. I sold half of it. Stop loss and break even for the rest. We eliminated the loss we had. And I'm gonna target 908. I'm out fully. $932 profit here, guys. 932, and on the other side, 389 profit. There you go. We're on fire. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. Boom! Celebration time. 3 out of 3 for YRM. Total profit. 3 out of 3. All the 150k profit. Let me see how many days we have on this one. 329 account on the number. 329. Where are you? It's day number 3 of the second cycle. Day number 3 of the second cycle. Look at that one. But as I said earlier, this one is day number 9 of the first cycle, so tomorrow, if we do 250 bucks, we're taking max payout. And then we have here another one, which is day number 24 today. But that's actually day number 4 of the third cycle. I have to sing it, guys. I have to sing it on live. That was great, right? That was great. Oh, look at that. I told you, the algo is back. They put it on. And you saw how important was it to partially sell. I accepted a loss here, and I accepted a loss in Quant Tower too, with my Lucid. But it's very important to accept the partial loss, and then you see the market is obviously reacting. Obviously, right? So as soon as it's that moment, as soon as you close your trade, it's reacting. You didn't close your entire trade. You close part of it, and then you buy back. It's what we did. In our case, we successfully fooled the market makers. They thought I closed everything, and I didn't. And of course, we quickly DCA back into, so they gave me the target. 26,000 incoming. You want to fool the market makers. They're right behind you. Time to trade some flex accounts. Time to trade some flex accounts. Let me see what we can do. Nah, I'm joking with the market makers. It's not the market makers watching us, guys. You know, it's the usual markets movements engines. Crazy lovely Nasdaq taking the high and bringing it down a couple of points, giving an easy opportunity to make some money. Make sure to join our Discord. You got to be part of it. Let me take that short with you, buddy. 10 minis short. You did 9 minis. I did 10 minis short. I am 10 minis short. Well, let's just take this one down till the opening and then have a nice movement above 26,000. $9.15 on my entry, 10 minutes short. Someone says, pray for me. And that's 12 VAC. Liquidity is getting haunted, but obviously the big liquidity. Levels that do represent massive liquidity is needed for the market makers to fill up their positions, right? So institutional trading is not market orders, guys. Institutional trading needs your stop losses or your their limit orders to fill up, right? So they gotta touch those spots of the markets that generate a cluster of liquidity. They need that. They're not pushing the market button as a market order. Institutional trading is not like that. It's not like we do retail. Retail is something else. You cannot fill up 3,000 Nasdaq contracts with market orders. And 5,000 and 8,000, right? Yeah. So they need that liquidity to be generated from the others. But we're printing, guys. You guys started praying for me and from 12 AC on this short. Are we going to make some money? It's not looking bad, right? Stop loss break even. I'm pretty comfortable with this. Pretty comfortable with this. Yeah, slowly over time accumulating at certain levels from liquidity generated in cluster events. Exactly, that's why you see a level get hit, because the market has to go there for that liquidity existed. Exactly. Beautiful pump. Beautiful movement once again. You see, this is what's happening today with the AI and their pedal. There is a pedal in the system that's bringing the price action up. $65 profit here instead of 1,200. Stop loss and break even. But you see, this is a place that I could reshort. Yeah, let me take my time on this one. You know what we got to yesterday, guys? We got some top 1 futures account of 150k instant funded, and they're sitting on trade evade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. They're sitting on trade evade, guys, this accounts.
Order filled.
Order filled. We're copy trading at 3 accounts. That's how many you can have. Come on, guys. Let's just print some money here. 11 mini short. Not bad. Scramble is my code pretty much everywhere, guys. Maximum discount available with that one, Scramble.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yes. Should actually get a little deeper on that retracement. I don't know, guys. This is the trade of 8. Yeah, trade of 8 is not happy when the order gets filled. Good to see you, Red Candles. Great to have you on board. Look at that one. We get Red Candles and making money from Red Candles in this trade. Red Candles on green PNL. It's not bad, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
But I don't like trade of it, guys. You see, the opportunity here for a continuation is lovely. But then you see the way the bull stepped into. Come on. Just bleeding till the opening. Great stuff. Hungary. Budapest. It's not bad, 400 bucks here, guys. I'm fully out.
Order filled.
I completely sold. 392 profit. 392 profit. It's not bad. Oh, you're out too. That's good. We guys, you know, we make some money. 392 here. It's the first day. Just got this account yesterday from the TAP1Futures. So if you use that company right there, that's, you know, a link and the code. I think I'm not going to trade more this one today. 392, that's it. All the 3 accounts copy traded, that's it, guys. 392. First day of trading with them. Now we tap one the first day. We've been trading with top one since April 2025. But those accounts are actually having a fresh start. And it's good to have a green day. Even though it happened for me so many times that if I had my first day on a purchased account red, I got into the payout on a very interesting approach of being extremely disciplined and giving back a lot on that one, right? So it's very interesting, guys, how it is so successful it turns out to be to sit it away, be in a position where you have to give your best, otherwise you lose it. And that's a first day negative. It happened many times.
Order filled.
Let's see if this is going to give me an interesting spot for the upside move. 500 bucks here for the Ignite.
Order filled. Order filled.
I got into a long. I don't like this.
Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Beautiful movement, guys. Beautiful reaction. We got in along on my Quant Tower 2 with Lucid Flex. 906 target right there for my top one. And then a great 10 minis long here. 10 minis. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the like. Hit the like button. We're sitting out here 211. And there's 105 likes. We gotta bring it up, guys, to do the giveaways. Come on. And we got this 10 minis long for the Quant Tower. Let's just bring it back to the top there. Let's just bring it back there.
Order filled.
We did touch the target 525 right here on Top 1 Futures Ignite 528. Thank you guys. Target has been hit. No losses today. This is the maybe 5th account. Have a look into that one, guys. 10 minis long, right below the 900s. This could be a promising trade. What if I leave this open for the New York session? Just to have a nice runner above 26,000. Yeah. Right below the 900s. We've grabbed the long. And now we have to wait. I wouldn't close in 920s. Especially with the session coming through. That gives strong possibilities to surprise people above 26,000 and having a good spot on 10 minis. But you see, I don't need more money than this. That's the thing. You know why, guys? Because this is an account that is a evaluation of 150,000 Lucid Flex second day. Yesterday, let me show you. We made 4,500 yesterday off stream. I got angry. I traded off stream for the first time probably. I got tilted by losing 3 funded accounts of 150k. And we made some money on the evaluations. 4,500 yesterday. We make 4,500 today. It's going to be juicy. We're going to pass the 150,000 Lucid Flex evaluation in 2 days again. I can't leave a few because it's 50% consistency. Bring it up, guys. Do not get scared about the way the market moves. Come on, like the video. Do not get scared when the price action is going in your direction. I'm still holding. I do copy trading, but in this case scenario, I didn't. But I do copy trading. Come on. I sold basically. No. I wanted to sell earlier, but I couldn't. So we hit the target. 4,560, 159,065. I'm telling you guys, let me show you right now on Lucid. Celebration time, guys. We passed this evaluation of 150k Lucid Flex in 2 days. Oh my gosh. It's not bad at all. On the 14th, yesterday, 4,505. Boom. We're on fire once again. Look at that one. 4,505 yesterday on the 14th. And today, 4,560. I'm just waiting this thing to get updated, right? Alright, let's trade the next one. Let me see if I made money on the funded one. We made 932. We're great with that one. 932 on the funded. So we have basically 3 YRM profits. By the way, for those of you that care about a Lucid prop firm, maximum discount right there with my code, including no payout target and consistency on the funded stage for Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex, no payout target and no consistency on the funded stage. Yeah, let me see once the chart is going to get updated here, but looks like the numbers are needing some time for the evaluation accounts. Maybe some minutes or something like that. However, we are testing the last month's high right now on the 935. Yeah. Might have to lose 10 or 20 bucks, or I'll have to do tomorrow another 10, 20 bucks profit. We'll have to see. The dashboard will tell me. I trade Lucid with Quant Tower on the Rhythmic connection. No trading view for Lucid. So on this whole laddering up we did here, market's finding momentum, but we made money from shorts and longest swells. We made money from both directions. Lucid, lovely company. I do draw on chart, but rarely. Whenever I feel it's needed. Other than that, I enjoy making money than having an artistic skill on the chart. I like to be a money maker. Let's go, guys. Come on, like the video. Get those numbers rolling. Yeah, we use fair value gaps. Weekly opening, 949. You see, I would test out a short here. We didn't touch 949, but I will test out a short. I mean, the market opens quite soon, in 3 minutes. You see, that might not be a good idea, to be honest with you. No, I'm not gonna do anything, guys, right now. Market opens in 3 minutes. We have another evaluation yesterday. We made 4,500. This is the art I'm going to add on my chart. Let me share with you this one. There you go. Look at that one, chat. Good morning, welcome guys. So we've got 3 profitable accounts, all hitting the target on YRM. Very important, one of it is day number 9. So tomorrow we should qualify for another payout on YRM. and that's really enjoyable. One tap on futures hitting the target, and it's 4 out of 4. One Lucid Flex 150k passing the challenge. We made 4,500 on it. Well, I do enjoy farming the simulated environment, guys, so I do enjoy that 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 grand possibilities from the simulated environment. Maybe the live environment is different. No daily loss limit on the Lucid Flex accounts. But certainly the live environment should be important. Yeah, I do enjoy more the simulated environment, guys. The market opens in 30, 40 seconds. And that's going to be pretty heavy. So today we traded 6 accounts, and all the 6 got to the target. All the 6. You got the link of the giveaway right there. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. The market opens in 5 seconds. Thank you so much. The link will always be in the pinned message, always. Opening bell. Careful, chat. Let's see if we can trade something on this evaluation. Look at that one. That's an interesting way the market is moving. Testing out a little long. Testing it out from here. Stop loss. Looks like I didn't want to put my stop loss on break even, but I couldn't. It didn't allow me. I'm out. 1,754 profit. 1,754 profit, guys. Back into the long here. On 5 minis long. Trading the Lucid Flex account. Bring it up, guys. Come on. I'm out for the moment. We're 2,000 bucks profit. Grabbed another entry here with less contracts. Stop. Again, it didn't work to put a stop loss on break even. I put it now, and it got triggered. Get ready, guys, for the fireworks. We've got basically 2,000 bucks profit quite quickly here on the opening. Boom, right there. Testing out a little long. My break even has been touched already. We made 20 bucks. Yeah. I think this is going lower. Oh, not really, not really. What a reaction they got. Ho ho ho, what a reaction as soon as I shorted, guys. What a reaction we got as soon as I shorted. But you see it's coming back down. And it's enforcing. Adding a little more to this. Beautiful. Target has been hit. $4,446. I'm gonna long it. I'm gonna long it here. I'd like to make another 50, 60 bucks or something like that. And this is the second evaluation we're gonna pass today. Look at that one. Come on. Not an issue here. We have made a ton. I can accept a loss at any time. Just got into a bit of a DCA. This could be a level of reaction, but again, we gotta be cautious here. Oh, look at that. It's going. Beautiful, come on. I'm out. 4,698 profit. We've made too much, guys. I'll have to lose something. And I'm gonna short this one to lose. We have to lose 200 bucks. And I'm gonna short this one to lose. So we gotta lose like $200 or something like that. This is the second account we're passing the 150k Lucid Flex evaluation. Beautiful. 4,520. Scrambles and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Come on, guys. As trading 101. Let's get to the next evaluation, where we also have 4,500 from yesterday. This is the third evaluation. Let's see if we can do something, or we get slapped on this one. I'm very aggressive, 9 minis. We might get slapped on this one. We might get slapped. But I've DC'd at this level. I think we have a decent chance of reaction. And if I get a nice printer all the way back to the 900s, we passed 2 evaluations today. It's very important, guys. We passed 2 150 evaluations. So this could be the third, this one. For this evaluation, 4,500 is the maximum drawdown I'm willing to offer. After passing 2 evaluations today, this one, I am allowing a lot, full risk on this. Could be the third evaluation passed today. But if this level holds, I'm gonna long another one here at this very bottom, because this one is very close to getting sucked down. Yeah, you can't pass all of this, guys. It's pretty satisfying for 2 accounts. Yeah, once you pass Lucid Flexible, especially the 150k ones. Look at that. It's a lovely recovery, guys. And I'm gonna leave it open, guys. I'm gonna leave it open. Even this one with 6 minis. I'm gonna go for my full target there, guys, on this one with 6 minis. Look at that one, guys. Are we gonna touch 4,500 on this one with 6 minis? Oh my gosh. And the target has been hit, guys. What about for the other? That one too. That's crazy. So we just hit 4 Lucid Flex accounts of 150k today. 4,500 on each. And they say we're gambling. That's how we're gambling. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god, that was insane. That was insane. Let me take these accounts one by one and show it to you guys. That is totally insane, guys. That is totally insane. 4 accounts of 150 Lucid Flex. All the 4 yesterday, 4,500. And today another 4,500 on all the 4. So let's look into it. This is, you know, the first one we did. Look at that one. This is number 1 for today here. Yeah, 500 again. Thank you. I'm a real gambler. Thank you for recognizing my amazing skills of gambling. I got lovely skills. Let me show you something. Let me show you something, part of my great skills of gambling. This one. This account, for example. So this is part of my huge skills of gambling. August. You see how gambling works? August. July. You see how gambling works for July 2? Part of gambling. Part of gambling strategy here too. Lucid Flex, this is the funded. Ho ho, funded. No, that's great, guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys. The stream is having 6-7 seconds. Exactly. That's the saying right there. Green string strategy, green tea strategy. It's all green, guys. That's the strategy. You want to click on the live. Whew. Yeah, let me see which account was that. The second one I traded. Let me see. The second one I traded. I got on that one. Look at the market. I got 159.15. 159.15. I think we're good with that one too. Super Gambler, right? Lucid Flex, guys. Maximum discount right there. Scramble coupon code. We have 65 bucks, 64 above, $100 above here. I mean, the dashboard did not update it yet, guys, here. It only shows for 14. Nothing shows for the 15 on any account we traded today on the evaluation stage. I think it needs some more time to update. Look at that one, all the way back to the weekly. That's insane. What do I do with all the money? What do I do with the money? I'm buying green tea. That's all I do with the money. I don't need more and anything else, guys. I'll leave my wife to take care about the whole expenses. I only need green tea. I'm simple and humble. I only need green tea. That's it. And I want to stream for the rest of the life. That's it. Green tea and streaming. So look at the lovely rejection we got here. What do you guys say about this one? Possible double top. Very risky. Oh my gosh, that's insane. So 4 accounts plus the funded. The funded made 932. Not streaming on Discord, guys. Only on YouTube. Yeah, I'm drinking green tea from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. No, my wife is not Italian. I'm not Italian. I don't think I'm allowed to buy more accounts after being moved to live. I don't think so. The stream is delayed about 6 seconds. So we have 50k Lucid, but we have a max loss. Do you suggest to take 150,000? Well, I only trade 150,000 because of that 4,500 bucks max loss, giving me stronger chances out there for passing the evaluations. And then, of course, when you have a 150k flex funded, that's an insane money printing machine. But I'm not trading on live. So you can have funded, which is not live, it's still a simulated environment. I have funded and I have challenges. We only had a single funded remaining after the cluster we had yesterday. Yesterday we lost 3 funded accounts. And some days prior to that we lost a single one because we had 5 at some point. You guys remember when I put all the 5. So yesterday we only remained with a single, the big one, which has 166,000. And then I got 4 new 150,000 challenges. I'm telling you, yesterday I was heavily tilted, aggressive, and I wanted to revenge. And that's what I did. I revenge made 4,500 on each. And today is the second day. We made 4,500 on each 4. So we're going to have again 5 funded of 150,000 Lucid Flex. I might have to do 10, 20 bucks tomorrow or something like that for some of the accounts, but I'm going to knock them out. Il padrino of prop firms. Well, you have to qualify for quite a lot of the payouts to be moved on live. So with the sizings and the risks I have, it's not hard to lose an account. In the last 3 months, anything I did, it worked. Fred, anything I did in the last 3 months, it worked. But you have to take the payouts on the same accounts. If you don't want to be moved to live, you just lose the account. Tap on futures, congratulations, Rahito. Usually in 24 hours or even quicker than that. Look at that crazy price action, guys, all the way back below 860s again. That's insane. If they call me to do that, I'm going to buy their prop firm and I'm going to trade there. I'll sell... How many Bitcoins do I have to sell to buy a prop firm? Tell me, guys. Which prop firm? Depends, because some prop firms... I've checked Lucid. Lucid sold. I've checked their order numbers. Lucid had 24 hours from my math. I don't know official. These are not official numbers, of course. But I just checked the order numbers, which is something you can also see when you place an order. You see your number. If you place at the same hour, the next day at the same hour, let's say at 4 p.m., you place an order today at 4 p.m., you have an order number. Tomorrow you place another order at 4 p.m., you have another order number. You see the difference, and you see how many orders they had. You can also see that. I've checked that. And they had like 20,000 orders. 20,000 accounts sold in 24 hours. 20,000 accounts sold in 24 hours. Lucid. If you are farming on purpose, you probably get banned. But I am not doing anything on purpose. Other than trying to make money, that's the only purpose. If I lose, it's not on purpose. Although I do enjoy the sim environment. But certainly the companies do not like you to farm accounts. No, and will certainly not tolerate that if they see you're doing it on purpose. If you always lose your account before you would be moved to live and you take it always to the limit and then lose it and take another round to the limit and lose it and keep doing like that for many, many times, then obviously they're not gonna tolerate you. You can fail on purpose, for sure you can fail on purpose. You know, the farming is it's a concept that refers basically to your desire of staying in the simulated environment and avoid touching the milestone of being moved to live. So you avoid touching that milestone on purpose, and then you just farm accounts in the same environment. For example, if a prop firm is taking you to live after 6 payouts on the same account, every time you lose your account after hitting 5 payouts, and you lose it on purpose. And on top of that, you do copy trading on 5 accounts, so you do these things on 5 accounts, and you always do that on purpose. They will see that. And they will not tolerate that. I do not do that because it's not allowed. And I would be banned. I'm not banned because I'm not doing it. So what else do I have to trade, guys? We traded a lot today. We made big money on board. What else is needed? Look at that crazy buying power and purchasing power out there. What else is needed here? So 3 accounts, YRM, all hitting the target. Tap 1 futures hit the target on the Ignite today. 1 funded of Lucid Flex hit the target. And 4 evaluations of 150k Lucid Flex made the 9 grand total. That's 9 accounts, 9 out of 9 complete targets today. Yeah. You see, it's very risky to take your payout, to take your account right before the pre-live section. Thank you. So you made 7,000 in the account you purchased earlier. You have 20% consistency. If you made 7,000 on 20% consistency, you are screwed. Just lose that money as quickly as possible. Yeah, you can lose money if there is no profit target, but there is 20% consistency. So if you have $7,000 today, and this is going to be your highest day, then do 7,000 times 5. And you will see you got to do a lot of the money. You know, that's like 35 grand, right? 35k is your new target if you close your day on 7,000, buddy. Just lose 6,000 from that. Lose. Do not make more than 1,000 in a single day. Because with 1,000, your target is going to be based on a 20% consistency at 5,000. So lose $6,000. Do not make more than $1,000 a day if you want to qualify for the payout. 20% consistency. Yeah, lose $6,000. That's your job right now. Your biggest day profit cannot be more than 20% of your total profit. So listen up. Because you are on stream and we've saved your ass. We've saved your ass with this thing. You know that you wouldn't do 35 grand in your next days to qualify. So we've saved your ass. If you take the account to the payout, promise that you give this community a $200, $200 worth of account. Promise, because we saved your ass. Promise you give this community $200 worth of account and we give it under the giveaway. Come on. We've saved your ass. Come on. No. 6 seconds were delayed. We're the holy saver. Oh, look at that dump, guys. Once again, every time I look into this, it's dumping. We just explain to him how the consistency works, and he says something else. He says, so my biggest profit is 7,000, so I have to make 20% of 7,000. And we said something else for the past 2 minutes. And then he is nuts. Look at that one, guys. That was the cause for the yesterday. The level of green tea in the blood, or let's put it differently. The level of blood in the green tea I have in my body. That's the way. The level of blood in my green tea of my body was extremely high. And that was a problem. Today, it's reversed. Green tea is much higher. How many liters, guys, do we have of blood in our bodies? 4, 5, 6 liters? I'm sitting on green tea today from 5 a.m. Today I was up at 5 a.m. Yeah, I had too much blood yesterday. Today I'm sitting on green tea from 5 a.m. Oh, there is a lot of things. 5 to 7 liters, not bad. I'm putting daily 1.5 liters of green tea, daily. So what else do we have to do? We traded all the accounts. 9 accounts back-to-back profit today. Tomorrow, hopefully, we're gonna take this one to payout. We have an account here that needs to be to payout. That's the closest. And then next week, hopefully, we take another payout. I'm on green tea for years, guys. That's why I like longs, and that's why the PNL is green. If I would drink red tea, it would be about the red PNLs. Like, that's pretty much obvious, right? I think that's the source, guys. If you ask me what's my strategy, well, that's the only strategy I got on my mind right now. It's the color of the tea that speaks for itself, and it's dominating the charts and the numbers. Yes, I lost 3 funded yesterday of 150k Lucid Flex, and I lost another funded quite a few days ago. Only 1 remained. yesterday. And then I got tilted. I got to revenge. Do not do this, guys. But I got tilted, revenged, bought 4 Lucid Flex of 150k. Made 4,500 on each. And then today made another 4,500 on each. No copy trading. And that's insane, right? And we just passed it all and we're back to 500. And that's it, guys. That was all in less than 24 hours. I have to make an ebook or something like that. But let's not forget about tennis, guys. I do play tennis daily. Let's not forget about this. You know the tennis ball is green or is it yellow? How is the tennis ball? Green or yellow? Because I don't know, and that's a very, very important question for the players. I got no idea. So, is it green or is it yellow, the tennis ball? Yeah, one day, exactly. We didn't had a bad day for many, many days right there. And today, we already smashed that. Is it green or is it yellow, guys? Come on. My flag in Discord. Look at that. Green tea consumption, trading victories. That's the... Oh my gosh, look at that. 10,000 personal trading account. Well, try to make around $50 a day. $50 a day and start with a single micro. Is it green or is it yellow? That's the very, very critical question we've got out here. On a tennis ball, most of the people say it is green. Probably because they have a green P&L and that's what they used to, right? I'm not expecting anything different, guys. Like, the last 3 months were so green here on the stream and so many fireworks that you're not really watching any form of trading live stream here. It's more about the fireworks, right? Uptick yellow. There you go. That's perfect. Look at that one. We have to make a brand of a green tea, guys. You guys agree with me on that one? We gotta do a brand of a green tea. The recipe is gonna be a secret thing for our community. And we're gonna use this to finance our own prop firm and pay people from our community, from the sales we have from the green tea stuff. We're gonna pay people from there and have a lovely community trading on our own prop firm. Look at that, guys. This is green tea, exactly. That's a good name. Uptick yellow. So we'll have a great branding around the tea. And we're gonna finance our prop firm from there. If we think about doing a prop firm together, in 12 months from the time we go live, we are going to have 10,000 active traders. I don't think it's down. I don't know. Is there any update? There's no update on their Discord. It's running normally. It's running on my side. So 10,000 traders in 12 months. Black coffee blend. Not into coffee at all. It's too much pressure by coffee on me. It's too much, guys. I'm sensitive to that one. I'm not thinking starting a prop firm. Not thinking about it, no. I think we get good choices out there these days. And I think it's too complicated. And I would need to work 25 hours a day. So I have to wake up an hour earlier and work 25 hours a day. Right? And you see, I do have other priorities. Mark is gonna buy the whole thing instead of letting us dominate the space. He's gonna take over. Too much work, too much stress. Things are not gonna function in the way I want them to function, and you guys will get upset. $2,000 docs race. I think that's gonna be the main goal, guys. You know, at some point we're gonna have 1,000 people, 1,500, 2,000 on the live stream. Just give me 2 years, guys. Give me 2 years, or give me. I did thought about to do some Facebook, Twitter, or X, or what is it? Instagram, and then YouTube. Social media advertising. You know, like the prop firms are doing on Facebook. That kind of advertising. I was thinking about to do that advertising, my YouTube channel, and tell people to join on the giveaways, to join daily on board here. You know, this way, we would collect 2,000 people on stream by doing that kind of Apex. I avoid Apex. I'm not touching them. Yeah, I do know companies are doing a lot of the ads. A lot of the ads. Not at the moment, we don't use them to automate anything. We're just leaving the whole thing organic, guys. The whole thing is left organic. Not pushing anything aggressive for the moment, but at some point we're gonna do social media ads and invite people on the live stream. What's happening here, guys, with Nasdaq? Finding temporary support at this level. We're gonna do the giveaway in. All right, guys. So sign up because we're doing the giveaway soon. Why traders lose a lot? Many reasons why traders. The first reason they lose is because they are humans. And the human nature is contradictory with the needs of trading success. Is contradictory, right? So all the impulses, all the non-rational things are driving you to losses. All the things that are happening in your brain automatically as a human will drive you to losses. So the human nature is not fitting to the successful trader, which means you have to control your human nature and do the opposite. Yeah. Sins right there, exactly. If that's the way you can say that. Lucid is the best. YRM is great as well. We have a good time here, guys. We have a good time. We have a lovely time. So you see, I'm getting emails from prop firms that would like promotion. They have no social media, they don't have anything, and they are trying to pay big money for a video. They are scammers, right? They are scammers. And they think that's the way it works. Overtrading, big money losses, and make sure you get clear limits that you prior agree. So if you say, I allow max loss of the account on this trade, you gotta know that from the beginning. And you have to accept that from the beginning. If you're willing to risk the whole account, just make sure you clearly negotiate that. Clearly negotiate that with yourself before opening the trade. Yeah, we're starting the stream in 2 minutes. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Very, very small sizing. That's number one priority for people. Yeah. I don't know how to trade metals. I got no idea. Thank you, Fred. Thank you, buddy. I got no idea on the metals. I got an idea on Nasdaq, and I have an idea for cryptos. So there is a lot of the scams on Discord. I never send you any invitation. Never. Oversizing is... Well, most of the people say I always oversize. I mean, depends, you know. Depends what you do with that sizing as well. Depends. Lucid Flex has a 50% consistency, can be passed in 2 days. You know, minis might not be the solution. Trade micros. I trade both. I didn't trade it both back in the day. But now I'm trading both and it works perfectly. Very interesting, guys. And I'm starting to enjoy more trading micros because of the flexibility. And it looks like with that flexibility I have, I make a lot more money. And I'm always trading micros on the YRM. And we're having third cycle, day number 4 today, or day number 3, third cycle. Day number 4. Day number 4, third cycle. You know, you can always average down and accept the partial loss. And we've got streams when we've done that. We were down so much money, 3,500, 3,700 on an account that had 4,500 max loss. But we have DCA'd out and accepted partial losses at certain levels that were critical, and then DC it back, and we have survived, or we came out to be correct on that. And it's been quite a few times, guys, so it was not an exception. It did work as a strategy to do it. No metals, just paddles, and digital gold. Digital gold, BTC. Yeah. Gold is a printer, but now silver came through. I'm looking for seeing the silver's price action on the BTC side one day. You never know. Alright guys, so let's just get into the... What do we need? We need a wheel, right? We need a wheel. We need a ducks. But first we're gonna start with a wheel. So let me explain to you what you gotta do to join. So how to join. Make sure to fill up the form. Then you have to like the video. You cannot participate otherwise. You have to be subscribed on my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 AM EST time is the starting point. Trading daily, running education, having a lovely community with extremely valuable people, great characters, and we're doing giveaways. And sometimes we're making profits on the stream. But you guys can learn from both situations. Even if I have a loss, you learn the reason I had the loss and you avoid it. If I have profits, you learn for the reason I had the profits. So for you, it's a win-win situation in any case and any order. I do see who liked the video for sure. I do have a possibility. Otherwise, we would not put it up. Great stuff. So I just filled up my green tea. Another one. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, giveaway now. First giveaway. 25,000 Sim Pro account, Top 1 Futures. That's going to be the giveaway. Listen up, guys. The ratio is going to be pretty complicated with the numbers. The ratio is going to be complicated. Because we're going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only once. So from 0 to 9, once every single number. You can start right now. Let me know your guess. Once single. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess multiple. Just a single guess per person. And do not spam your number 20 times. Come on, guys. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Back into 900s for the Nasdaq. I'm glad we have 9 out of 9 profit today, and extremely glad we just made 4 Lucid Flex 150k evaluations into funded. Extremely glad with that one. We might have to do 10-20 bucks tomorrow more. I don't know. We'll have to see once the dashboards update, because it's not updated yet. But that's no problem, right? So tomorrow is going to be a possible payout day for my YRM account. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Thank you so much. $25,000. Tap on futures account, instant funded Simpro. We're going to shuffle. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Let's go. It's not going to be number 1, not going to be number 5, not going to be number 3. Could be the 0 on green, not going to be number 6. No, the paddle is not going to stop there. The paddle is seeking on the 0, guys. And that's going to be pretty flat right through the middle of it. No risk for the number 4. Congratulations for the winners with the 0. I have 9 days in one of the accounts for YRM. First cycle, 9 days. We have 4 days in the third cycle for a different account. 4 days. I have 3 accounts that are funded there. 150k each. So each have a different stage of qualification, right? Getting ready for the Ducks. Congratulations for the winners. It's not easy. 19 winners. Look at that one. 19. You guys will go for a minute. Competition time, a minute. You can start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Ron looks like hitting on with a Trump costume. It's not easy with 9, 10 numbers, basically. From 0 to 9, there's 10 numbers. We had a great day, guys. We traded everything on solo, no copy trading. Who's gonna take this one? The green duck. Big Frank. $D Dream. Free humanity. We've got Ishvan. Ishvan 6526 winning the race. Congratulations, buddy. It's a Hungarian name. Hungarian name. It's called... Are you here? It's called István. Let's see if you filled up the form, buddy. We're going to verify. This is a Hungarian name. It's called István. So, are you here? Did you fill up the form? Yes, congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. Look at that one. Congratulations. It's all confirmed. $25,000 Sim Pro account. Tap on futures instant fund that goes out to you. Great. Let's continue, guys, with the next one. Oops. No, we're going to refresh this. Wait. So the next giveaway will be, it's going to be the second. It's going to be the second. No numbers. No. $25,000 for the second giveaway. No numbers. We don't have numbers yet. No. Second giveaway, $25,000 Ignite from the tap on futures, guys. Right, so listen up for the numbers. Listen up for the numbers. 3 zeros, 3 number 5, 3 number 7, and 3 number 8. Let me know your numbers. You can start right now. So 3 zeros, 3 number 5, 3 number 7, 3 number 8. Guess the number. A single guess per person and a single account. Do not guess multiple times. Yeah, tap on futures. Ignite account, $25,000 instant funded. Keep it strong, guys. Keep it strong. Best of luck, everyone. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. We're going to shuffle this. And there you go. Best of luck, guys. Come on. This is another instant funding account. It's not going to be the number 5. Well, we're going to sit on that double 8. And we're not going to pass that, guys. It's not going to get through. That's going to be the double 8 right there. Congratulations for the winners that picked up the number 8. Congratulations for the winners. Great job. That's the number 8. We got stuck there. Good job, guys. Good job, everyone. So, time for another duck race. 66 winners with Jonathan leading. Jonathan leading, 66 winners. Look at that one. Jonathan at the top. Papeleria, Dream Spots. Hi, Tootsie, you got it. Hey. I would say you picked a number 8. Congratulations. Let's go, guys. That's a big one with the tap on futures. Go, go, come on. Oh, look at the babar bag. But yeah, here's so many well-known names. Trades by now. The Sean. 15 seconds to go. Some guys stopped out. Maddie. Maddie's there. Who's speeding up, guys? Dracula. Dart Trader Pro. Dart Trader Pro with a Dracula. With a vampire. Number 13 right there. That's so scripted, guys. Number 13 Dracula. Look at that. Dart Trader Pro. Congratulations for the winner. Jonathan on the 2nd. That was the best performance for you, buddy. Look at that one. You were pretty close. Hey. Babar on the 5th. Andreas on the 3rd. Marco Preto on the 4th. Or look at that one. So let's have a look into Dart. Did you got your... Where is Dart? Where is Dart Trader Pro? Where is Dart? Is not here. Look at that one. You never won anything in life, but unfortunately today, you did one. And you're not here. Darth. You did the form the other day. The form is daily. Which is why we have it daily, a new link, and we have hundreds of people completing the form. Unfortunately, bad luck for you. Jonathan, next one on board. His lucky day is here. I'm sorry for that, Dark Trader. We've got this one on daily because we've got daily giveaways. Each day is totally different than the previous day, and we have to avoid the scammers and the bots every day. Jonathan, look at that one. Congratulations, buddy. You were second, but you got the account. You were not winning the race. So guys, do not wish to win the race. You can also win an account from being second or third or fourth or fifth, right? So you're not necessarily needing to hit that yellow gold medal. All right, guys, congratulations, buddy. Moving to the third giveaway. So third will be, you got to reach out to me on Discord. I'm going to send the message on the group and you reach out from that message once the live stream ends. So third giveaway. Actually, I'm going to send the message right now. Winners DM. I just send that message in the group. Direct message me, winners. Alright guys, so back to the wheel. Third giveaway is going to be 50k YRM. 50k YRM. So we got to make it heavy on the numbers. Nasdaq is above 900, so we got to put the number 9 somewhere, right? Look at the price section here, making dirty games and spinning around. So it's going to be like this. 3 zeros, 3 number 5, a single number 7, a single number 8, and a single number 9, and that's it. You can guess right now. 3 zeros, 3 number 5, and then single numbers from 7 to 9, 7, 8, 9, right? Come on, best of luck, guys. Triple zeros, triple number 5, 7, 8, 9, solo. There's no more green tea. This is getting dangerous right now. We're getting in a dangerous situation, guys. Alright guys, so stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. Stop guessing, stop right there. There you go. No more. We're gonna shuffle this way and give it a go. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Come on, this is the last giveaway for today. Tomorrow we're continuing with quite a few. Paddle, do your job. We got a double zero just passing through, and then we got a double number 5 right there. I think we get stuck there. It's like a mud. We got stuck in the mud. Number 5 right there with the blue. That's it, guys. It's fully confirmed. It's acting like a mud. Nah. Congratulations for the winners. I'm happy for you guys. You got that at number 5. I think a lot of the people picked that number 5. I think we got more than 10 in the list. Maybe 20, 30. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, 98. 98. So we're shy by 2 of touching the 100 and having 2 rounds, 98 winners. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. So you guys will compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Shuffle. And you're good to go. Best of luck everyone for a $50,000 YRM account. Well, that's 98. You have a good chance for the number, for the top 5. Good chance, a good chance. Your chance is not going to be taken away. Someone is guessing the number 1. So make sure to fill up the form, guys. Game over. Who are you cheering for? Look at that one. We've got the AD. With a Batman costume. Number 5, that's what it came out. Exactly. You guys should not see your duck until the last 10 seconds. You don't want to see it, guys, because if you're seeing it now, that's not a good... Trump is there. Who's having the Trump one? Fatty Mar. Fatty Mar is with a Trump. Rocky Trades coming through. Zill. Alex. Forty seconds to go. Maddie at the top right now is not a good sign. You shouldn't be proud of that. No, no. Should not be proud of that right now, Maddie. Jake is right there. I can see your name. I think you have a green duck or something like that. So who's going to speed up right now? Someone is going to get stopped out for sure. We got the pedal simplistic videos. We got the pedal right there stopping them out. All of them got stopped out. But we got a British board pumping. William. Ndolo William. Look at that one. Congratulations. Jake, you're the 3rd. You see, that's not bad at all. I mean, you said top 5. You got your top 5. Congratulations for the winners. Ndolo William. And then Luca. Jake, Giovanni. But we were shy by 2 players to have the top 5 running the 2nd round. So that's crazy. 98 players out there and still having a great time. So, Ndolo, you filled up the form. Let's find it out. Ndolo. Yes, it is your lucky time, lucky day out here. $50,000 goes out to you in your pocket. YRM account. We got some stop losses hit on those ducks. We got the paddle running nicely, guys. So if you're leading 15, 20 seconds or 10 seconds before the timer ends, right? You're going to get stopped out by the pedal. Catch you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, lovely time. What's happening on Nasdaq? Well, it's running. What a crazy spikes up and down here. 60, 70 points of volatility on 5-minute candles. It's hard to digest such price action what we got to today. But I'm glad we made it with 9 out of 9 hitting targets. No losses today. We don't like the losses. I only accept losses every 2 months. And we did a reset, lose some accounts on those losses. That's my strategy. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Peace. Be careful out there. And we talk to you tomorrow. In the meantime, keep it up on Discord. Cheers, guys.